All right, man, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Chuck, man. Today I'm finna show you how to install RP for you motherfuckers who want to play GTA RP, man. So the first thing y'all gonna need to do, man, y'all need to go to Google on y'all website browser, you feel me? Once you go to Google and shit, type in FiveM. Once you type in FiveM, you're gonna see this shit right here pop up. Click on it. Click on download client. Y'all can read through this shit. If y'all ain't gonna read through this shit regardless, just click on sure, I agree at the bottom. Once you click on it, y'all show y'all downloads folder pop up right here. Click on the folder icon. It's gonna be right here. If y'all don't know where it says, if it's still not popping up for y'all, go to y'all folder and click on downloads right here on the side. Click on the file exe twice. Once y'all do that, y'all gonna see FiveM is open. It is updating. Let it update. It's not gonna take y'all 30 hours or nothing. It should be quick as fuck. Now with this process right here, when this screen pop up, this little folder icon, it's gonna ask y'all to basically find your exe file for GTA 5. So if for y'all who got an external hard drive, y'all gonna have to look for that shit yourself. But if it's on your computer, you're gonna go to this PC, click on Windows, click on Programs 86, go down, scroll to Steam right here, click on Steam. Then you're gonna see Steam apps inside of that Steam folder. Click on that, click on Common, and you see GTA 5. If y'all don't know and y'all don't know what I just did, click on this PC. Click on Windows, click on Programs Files 86, go down, click on Steam, then click on Steam Apps, then click on Common, then click on GTA 5, and you should see your exe file right there. And once you find it, click on the exe file, click Open, and it's going to say Verifying Game Content. Then this folder's right here, this little file thing going to pop up. It's going to say FiveM needs to update local game data. Click Yes. And it's gonna be 1.4 GB. So if y'all don't have space, man, then I don't know what to tell you. But if you got space, rock with me there. Keep rocking with me. We getting up. Y'all can close out the Wi-Fi browser and all of these tabs. Just leave FiveM open and let FiveM basically install. Once it install, it's gonna load up. It's gonna ask y'all the same shit it asks y'all when y'all download. Please agree, and then agree to the shit. Blase, you loading up. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. I ain't gonna let y'all cut off like that, man. I got y'all. So everything just finished updating. Now it's finna open right now. All right, FiveM is now opening. Just pay attention closely to what I do from this step. Do not skip. If you skip any part in this video, you didn't fuck up or you might have fucked up. I can't tell you, but I'm just telling you, no skip, man. I'm trying to keep the video going for y'all, so y'all know I ain't doing no bullshit. Y'all don't see no cuts. It's all recorded like that. Now look, FiveM just opened right there off rip. Like I say, I can read through this shit. Y'all don't have to read through this shit. I'm not reading through it. Just click I accept. Y'all can sign in with this. Y'all don't have to necessarily have it, but if y'all plan on buying shit with y'all real life money on GTA 5M servers, just know whatever shit you buy, whatever stuff you buy a server on will not transfer to the next server. So be very careful of what you buy. But y'all don't have to have this. Y'all can click skip and don't ask again. You feel me? And now y'all go, man. Now y'all can go click on any one of these servers. Y'all can click play right here. Once you click play, you're going to have all of these servers you can scroll through, man. And if y'all want to find servers in the U.S., click on filter and click the United States American flag, and you should find all of them. Now, if y'all do want to know the servers I play on, y'all want to know the best RP servers on FiveM, man, let me know in the comment section. I'll get that video for y'all ASAP. But without further ado, man, you got FiveM installed. Now you good to roll, man. It's your boy Chuck, and we out.